Looking for a quick, creamy, and super satisfying sandwich you can make in minutes? This easy chicken and egg sandwich is packed with flavor and perfect for any time of the day. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we keep it simple, easy, and absolutely delicious. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Omi. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Today we are making this easy creamy chicken and egg sandwich that is crispy on the outside and rich and cheesy on the inside. So let's get started.